Would you like to order? I'm sorry, we'd like a few more minutes, please. Acquire grammar. In this lesson, we are going to have a look at how to use would like. We use would you like to offer things. Would you like equals do you want? Would you like something to drink? Would you like coffee or tea? We use would you like to invite someone. Let's look at some examples. Would you like to go out for dinner on Friday? I would love to. Would you like to join our band? We need a lead singer. I would like or I'd like is a more polite way of saying I want. Would you like dessert today? Yes, I'd like the chocolate cake, please. I'd like to try these on. Where is the dressing room? Would you like to order? I'm sorry, we'd like a few more minutes, please. Next, let's compare would you like and do you like. Would you like means do you want? Do you like means do you think it's nice? Let's compare these two examples. Would you like some wine? Yes, please. Do you like wine? No, I don't drink. Do you like tennis? Yeah. Would you like to play on Sunday? Give it a go. Try making your own sentence using would like and leave it in the comments below. If you like our videos, please share them with a friend. We'd really appreciate it.